Before buying a trolling reel, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the reel buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Okuma Magda Pro Line Counter Reel. The Okuma Magda Pro Line Counter Level Line Trolling Reel, priced at $51.97. What caught my eye here is its lightweight design, coming in at just 12.6 ounces. If you want a reliable reel that won't tire you out during long fishing trips, this is worth a serious look. The Magda Pro features a mechanical line counter that measures in feet, so you know exactly how much line is out there. This means no more guessing when you're dropping back your bait. Plus, it has a multi-disc carbonite drag system that keeps things smooth when a big fish makes a run. With 2 stainless steel ball bearings, retrieving your catch feels effortless. Now, some people complained about the durability of the line counter mechanism. Here's the thing though, while it's a concern for some, if you're taking care of your gear, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This reel still offers fantastic value, especially for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're a novice angler looking for an affordable yet effective reel. Skip this one if you're a pro who needs a high-end, heavy-duty reel. For the price, it really delivers. Now, if the line counter feature of the Magda Pro doesn't excite you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Okuma Cold Water Line Counter Reel. Here's the Okuma Cold Water Line Counter Trolling Reel, coming in at $119.99. The first thing that struck me is its powerful drag system, which can handle up to 20 pounds of fish stopping power. If you want to reel in larger catches, this one is worth your attention. The cold water boasts a mechanical line counter with Okuma's Clearview technology, which means you can easily keep track of how much line is out. Plus, the aluminum handle with an ergonomic grip ensures a comfy experience while cranking in fish. The smooth drag system is designed to give you precision in those high-stakes moments. However, some users have pointed out that it can be heavier than other models, weighing 14.6 ounces. But honestly, if you're targeting larger fish, that weight might not matter as much. It's still a solid choice for serious anglers. This is a great option if you're targeting big fish like salmon or steelhead and want extra cranking power. Skip it if you prefer a lightweight option for casual fishing. The performance you get for the price is definitely impressive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget.
Product number 3, Shakespeare ATS Size 20 Reel. The Shakespeare ATS Size 20 Conventional Trolling Fishing Reel, priced at just $44.24. Made from lightweight graphite, this reel catches your eye for its affordability without compromising on reliability. If you want a solid starter reel, this is worth considering. The ATS is designed for efficiency with a recovery rate of 26 inches per crank, helping you reel in fish faster. Featuring a max drag of 15 pounds, it's ideal for freshwater applications. The stainless steel level wind system and ball bearings make for a smooth experience, which is crucial when you're out there battling fish. However, some users found the drag system could be inconsistent at times. Here's the thing, if you're just starting out and not targeting trophy fish, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still provides a great experience for casual fishing. This reel is perfect for beginners or families who want to enjoy a day out on the water without spending a fortune. Skip it if you're an experienced angler looking for top-of-the-line performance. For the price, it's a great way to get started. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 4, Shakespeare ATS Trolling Reel. The Shakespeare ATS Trolling Reel, also priced at $46.22. This one caught my attention again for its lightweight, durable design. If you're on a budget but still want reliability, this reel is worth checking out. Like its sibling, this ATS model also boasts a 26-inch recovery rate per crank and a max drag of 15 pounds. It's built with 2 ball bearings for smooth casting, making your fishing experience enjoyable. This reel is specifically designed for freshwater fishing, so it's great for lakes and rivers. However, some users mentioned that it lacks additional features found in pricier models. That said, if you're just looking for a straightforward, reliable reel without all the extras, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This reel is perfect for those who want a dependable fishing experience without the hefty price tag. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features or heavy-duty performance. For this price point, it really holds its own. Alright, if you need a bit more power and performance, the final product on my list offers just that. Product number 5, Piscifun Chaos XS Bait Casting Reel. Let's talk about the Piscifun Chaos XS bait casting fishing reel, priced at $64.99. What stands out here is the reinforced metal body, making it feel robust in hand. If you're serious about fishing and want a powerful option, this one should be on your radar. The Chaos XS features a carbon fiber drag system that provides up to 22 pounds of stopping power, which is incredible when you're battling large fish. The CNC caved aluminum spool allows for smooth spooling, and the centrifugal brake system ensures fantastic casting performance. Plus, the non-slip grips offer comfort during long fishing trips. Now, some users have reported that it may take some time to get used to the casting mechanics. Here's my take. If you're willing to learn and invest a bit of time, this reel delivers high performance in return. This reel is ideal for hardcore anglers who demand performance and durability. Skip it if you're just starting out and need something simpler. For the price, the quality you get is hard to beat.
So there you have it. 5 excellent trolling reels to consider. From the budget-friendly options like the Shakespeare ATS to the more powerful Piscifun Chaos XS, there's something for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that fits your fishing style and needs.